Welcome to this stunning villa, located in the heart of central Algarve, Santa Bárbara de Nexe. Close to the town of Faro, Loulé and Vila Moura, as well as the luxury resorts of Val do Lobo and Quinta do Lago, Santa Bárbara de Nexe provides an unparalleled convenience while maintaining its serene and peaceful atmosphere. Hi, I'm Fred from Mapro Night Frank. Let me show you around. This exquisite property offers breathtaking panoramic sea views and a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living spaces. The property comprises 3 well-appointed bedrooms with fitted wardrobes, 2 of them on the ground floor and another one on the lower level. My favorite feature, this indoor-outdoor living experience with this remarkable sea view. For more information about this listing, please visit our reference on our website 3934 or give us a call directly. Thank you for watching.